Welcome to Photoshop Art. I'm going to show you how to import more skies into Sky Replacement tool. Go to Edit and select Sky Replacement. Wait a moment to finish. Expand skies. Click on gear icon. Get more skies. Download free skies. Photoshop will open your browser. Download skies to your desktop. Go back to Photoshop. Click on gear icon. Get more skies. Import presets. Find the skies you downloaded and click Load. I already done that. You can find your skies packs below. This is Photoshop Art. Thank you for watching this video.